Hi dear friends, how are you? I'm Vikas from Vikas Driving School. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do reverse bay parking. Reverse bay parking, lots of people, they're getting very confused and very stressed. Especially I'm getting requests from lots of my dear friends. They're saying me to make a videos on the reverse bay parking. So today I'm going to show you how to do reverse bay parking. I'm going to show you very easy steps. If you're going to follow these steps, you will just start to do it reverse bay parking just in a first attempt. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to add more value, more tips and tricks to pass your driving test in a first go. Today I have Ritika with me. She already got a license 2 years back. She is a very good driver. She know how to drive a car, but she is a little bit uncomfortable in reverse bay parking. She tried couple of times, but she couldn't get successful in the parking. So today I'm going to teach the Ritika how to do reverse bay parking, and I'm going to tell my all the students as well. Ritika, did you try any time reverse bay parking?
Yes, I tried, but I am unable to do it.
Okay, no problem. So in this video and in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do reverse bay parking. I'm going to show you each steps, when you need to stop your car, how much you need to turn your wheel, and if you don't understand, make sure ask me again so I can correct you straight away. But if you don't understand, still you will have a videos available on your YouTube. You can watch anytime. We're going to find a safe place to do a reverse bay parking. Make sure keep going straight and keep your speed limit very less, because in the parking area the speed limit is 10 km/h. If there is no sign, keep your car little bit slower, because anyone can walk, anybody can come from this parking bay. Maybe kids can come out, anyone can open the door, people they can walk. So keep your speed very less. So we're going to turn left here. We're going to find a safe place to do a reverse bay parking, and we're going to park between the two cars. Most of the students, the people, they have confusion to parking between the two cars. So we're going to park this right hand side and in between these two cars, like there is a black car and that white car, and we're going to park between the. So make sure, the main thing, you need to give your indicator 3 seconds before. Slowly keep moving your car. Keep your right indicator on. Keep your car a little bit not too much left hand side and not too much right hand side, between middle of this road, and keep your indicator on. And this first bay is this empty space after this black car. We're going to stop our car in the third bay. So make sure you need to stop your car in the third bay. The second bay is this white car, and the third bay is this empty space again. So you need to align your shoulder to middle of this third bay. Did you got it my point? You need to align your shoulder middle of this third bay, and then completely stop your car, and then turn your wheel full right till lock. Very good, well done. And make sure change your gear to reverse and check 360-degree check. And keep moving back. I'm going to show you from the outside as well. then turn. This is very important point. Most of the students, they miss this point because they don't make their wheel, they don't make their car straight, and they keep going back. Because if that way you're going to go, keep going back, you will just cross your line. So make sure, it's a very important point. You need to turn your wheel half left and then full circle left. So you need to turn your wheel half left and then the full circle left, and then keep going slowly back. No need to give any accelerator, anything. Just keep going slowly, keep going back. Just roll your car, keep your foot on the brake, and just press sometime, release sometime, and keep going back. So make sure keep going straight. Give your right indicator. For the reverse bay parking, this blind spot mirror are really good. Use the blind spot mirror to do a reverse bay parking, because in the blind spot mirror you can clearly see the lines. Keep going slowly in the parking area. Now we're going to park, just park a bit between these cars. Make sure you need to use the same trick. Make sure don't forget to give your indicator. Just park your car in this bay. Just use this bay, park in this between these bays, the front one. So after this car, so make sure after these two cars, just park in the third bay. So keep your car a little bit in the middle. Make sure don't forget to give your indicator. Your shoulder should be the middle of the third bay. You need to turn your wheel completely left till lock, because we're doing left hand side now, and change your gate to reverse. Make sure don't forget to check 360-degree check. It's very important to check 360-degree check, and keep going slowly back. This time you did it yourself. Do you feel any doubt, any confusion about the reverse bay parking?
No, I don't have any confusion. I can do it perfectly now.
Okay, so this is the reverse bay parking, dear friend. It's very easy, very simple. But here I just want to mention something, for this reverse bay parking, make sure don't forget to use the blind spot mirror. The blind spot mirror, they are really good to reverse bay parking or any parking, because in the blind spot mirror you can see the lines once you will be in the parking. Because if there will be no blind spot mirror, it will be very hard. You can do it without the blind spot mirror as well, but the blind spot mirror is very good to see the lines. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to add more value, more tips and tricks to pass your driving test in a first go. So bye for now, we'll see you very soon.